Welcome everybody, how are you? Today you are going to talk about an important math concept called derivative of exponential function. Such that, what about y equal e power x? We want to find the derivative of this function, y dash equal e power x multiplied by the derivative about this power will be 1. 1 multiply e power x, the result will be e power x. And what about y equal e power 2x? The derivative will be y dash equal e power 2x multiplied by the derivative about this power will be 2. So the result will be 2 multiply e power 2x. It's the derivative about e power 2x. So the derivative about this function will be 2e power 2x. Look at this example, y equal e power 5x plus 2. We want to find the derivative about this function. The derivative about this function will be e power 5x plus 2 multiplied by the derivative about this expression will be 5. 5x power plus 2, the derivative about this expression will be 5. So the result will be y dash equal 5 multiplied by e power 5x plus 2. And what about this equation? Y equal ex power 2. We can write this function here, e power x power 2 multiply the derivative about this power will be 2x. So the result will be 2x multiply e power x power 2. Look at this example, y equal e power x power 3 plus 8x. The derivative about this function, we must write this function here and the derivative about this power behind it. We can find this function here, e power x power 3 plus 8x, and the derivative about this function will be 3x power 2 plus 8. X power 3, the derivative about this term will be 3x power 2 plus 8x, the derivative about this term will be 8. So the result will be 3x power 2 plus 8 in brackets multiplied by e power x power 3 plus 8x. Look at here, y equal 3 power x. We want to find the derivative about this function. We must write this function 3 power x multiplied by derivative about this power. The derivative about x will be 1, and we can write ln 3. Must write ln 3 behind it. Okay. So the result will be 1 multiply 3 power x. The result will be 3 power x multiply ln 3. Look at here about this example. We solve it. We can write this function and the derivative about this power will be 3x power 2 plus 8. Look at here, y equal 3 power 2x minus 3. The derivative about this function, we must write this function here, 3 power 2x minus 3, and we must write the derivative about this expression 2 multiply ln this number. And we can replace ln 3 right here, multiply by 2, it's coefficient about this function, 3 ln 2 ln 3 multiply 3 power 2x minus 3. Look at this example, y equal 5 power 3x subtract x power 2. The derivative about this function, look at, we have a number. We must write this number power 3x subtract x power 2 here, and we can write multiply by derivative about this expression will be 3 subtract 2x. 3 subtract 2x multiply ln 5. Ln 5 is a number. We can replace this number from right hand side here, right here in the first, multiply 3 subtract 2x in brackets, multiply ln 5 multiply by 5 power 3x 5 power 3x subtract x power 2. This example, such that another example, y equal 9 power x power 3. You can find the derivative of this function, y dash equal, we can write this function here, 9 power x power 3, and the derivative of this power will be 3x power 2 multiply ln this number 9, and we can replace this number in the first here, 3x power 2 multiply ln 9 multiply 9 power x power 3. Look at here, y equal e power sine x. We can find the derivative of this function. We must write e power sine x here multiply by derivative about this power will be cosine x multiply by derivative about this number, this x, unknown x will be 1. So we can write cosine x multiplied by e power sine x. Look at here, y equal 4 power 10x. The derivative about the function, we must write this function here, 4 power 10x multiplied by the derivative about this power 10x, derivative about 10x equals sec power 2x multiplied by ln 4. So we can replace ln 4 right here. Ln 4 is the first, it's a number, multiply sec power 2x multiplied by 4 power 10x. We can solve this example. We can find the derivative y dash equal 5, it's constant, write it here, multiplied by e power 3x plus 2 multiplied by the derivative about this expression will be 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15, e power 3x plus 2. Another example, y equal 5x plus 2 multiplied by e power 3x plus 2. We have two functions. We can find the derivative here. We must try the first, 5x plus 2 multiplied by the derivative about the second will be e power 3x plus 2 multiplied by the derivative about this power will be 3, plus we can write the second here, e power 3x plus 2 multiplied by the derivative about the first will be 5, and we can write the result, e power 3x plus 2, we can write its outside coefficient between two terms. We have two terms here. We can write e power 3x plus 2 outside, and the result will be 3 multiplied by 5x plus 2 in the first term plus the second will be 5. Okay, we can use this rule about multiply two term, d over dx, derivative about x about f and g, f dash multiplied by g plus j multiplies f dash, derivative about f multiply j, and the function j dash we can write g dash multiply by f. Okay, f dash multiplied by j plus g dash multiply f. F dash is the derivative about this function. Look at this example, y equal x power 3 multiply e power 4x. The derivative equal, we can find the result here, write the first here, x power 3 multiplies the derivative of the second, derivative here e power 4x multiplied by derivative this power 4, plus we can write the second here, multiplied by the derivative about this the first term, first expression here, right here, the derivative about the first. Again we can write first multiply derivative about the second plus the second multiply by the derivative about the first, and we can write what? We can write x power 2, we know x power 2 we can write outside here, and e power 4x outside, so the derivative will be x power 2 e power 4x, it's a coefficient about this function, and the result will be here, remainder will be 4 multiply x, because x power 3 divided x power 2 equal x, plus this term we can divide it by x power 2 multiply e power 4x, the result will be 3. We can cancel this term, x power 2 is x power 2, the result will be 3.